In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack. Your quick start guide, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll feel comfortable signing in, navigating the interface, and communicating clearly with your team using channels, direct messages, threads, reactions, files, and huddles. Start by heading to slack.com. If you're new, sign up with your email and follow the prompts. If you've been invited to a workspace, use that invitation to log in. Once you're in, you'll either create a workspace or join an existing one. Take a minute to set up your profile. Add a clear photo, a display name people will recognize, and your role. This helps teammates find you quickly and builds trust. You can always tweak details later in your settings. If you want easy access, install the desktop or mobile app. The apps keep you signed in, enable reliable notifications, and support quick replies when you're on the go. You'll still have access in the browser, but the apps offer a smoother, more focused experience. Let's get oriented. On the left, you'll see the main navigation. This sidebar is home to your channels, direct messages, and key areas like home. Unreads are bolded so you can prioritize what needs attention. You can star channels or DMs you visit often to pin them near the top and keep your sidebar tidy. Channels are the heart of Slack. Think of them as spaces organized by topic, team, or project, like marketing, product, or announcements. Public channels are visible to everyone in the workspace, making information easy to discover. Private channels are for sensitive discussions and require an invite. Browse and join channels that are relevant to your work so you see the right conversations without crowding your feed. For one-to-one or small focused conversations, use direct messages. DMs are private and perfect for quick questions or sensitive topics. If a DM thread becomes useful to a broader team, consider moving the discussion into a channel to keep knowledge shared and searchable. Your home view is your personal hub for recent activity, saved items, and reminders. Save messages you want to revisit, and use reminders to follow up later without losing track of tasks in busy channels. At the top of Slack, the search bar lets you find messages, files, and people. Type a few keywords, then filter by channel, person, or date to narrow results. Search is incredibly powerful in Slack, so using specific terms and filters can save you lots of time. In the top right, click your profile picture to manage your status, notifications, and settings. Set a status to show availability, turn on Do Not Disturb to focus, and adjust notification preferences so you're alerted to the right things at the right times. To participate in a channel, click it to open the conversation. Type at the bottom to send a message. Keep your posts clear and to the point, and break long thoughts into separate messages for readability. When you need someone's attention, type the @ symbol followed by their name to mention them. They'll receive a notification. You can also mention an entire channel or a user group where appropriate, but use these sparingly to avoid notification fatigue. When a specific message needs discussion, reply in a thread. Threads keep channels organized by grouping related replies in one place, so you don't clutter the main flow of conversation. If a thread becomes important for everyone, you can also send a copy to the channel to keep folks in the loop without overwhelming them. For quick acknowledgments or to show sentiment, add emoji reactions instead of writing a new message. A thumbs up or check mark is often enough to confirm you've seen something or agree. Sharing files is straightforward. Drag and drop a document into the message box, or click the plus button to upload. Add context so teammates know why you're sharing it and what feedback you need. Files you share are searchable later, so use descriptive names when possible to make them easier to find. Finally, when a conversation needs real-time discussion, start a huddle in a channel or a DM. Huddles are lightweight audio or video chats that launch instantly, with options like screen sharing to walk through a design, a spreadsheet, or a quick demo. They're perfect for short syncs that don't require a full meeting. That's your quick start. Sign in, set up your profile, install the app, learn the sidebar, communicate in channels and DMs, use mentions and threads wisely, react with emojis, share files clearly, and jump into huddles when you need to talk live. With these basics, you'll be productive and respectful of your team's time from day one.